Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your phone runs Android 8, 0 or higher, and has a valid Netflix account. Next, pick a paid VPN service that explicitly supports streaming and obfuscation for reliability. Install the VPN app from Google Play and sign in with your subscription credentials. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or 4G/5G connection to minimize buffering. Turn off location spoofing apps and close unnecessary background apps to reduce conflicts. Finally, reboot your device after installation to apply all network changes cleanly. Open the VPN app, sign in, and go to Settings to enable the kill switch. Enable obfuscation or stealth mode if the VPN offers it for better Netflix access. Choose a recommended streaming server, for example, a US or UK server labeled for Netflix. After connecting, go to Android settings, then apps, then Netflix, and clear cache and clear data before launching Netflix. Restart the Netflix app and sign back in when prompted. Try playing a show to confirm that the VPN connection works properly. If Netflix shows a proxy error, disconnect and try a different streaming server or region. Turn obfuscation on or off to test which setting bypasses blocks more effectively. Update both the VPN app and the Netflix app from Google Play before further testing. Contact your VPN support chat and run any built-in diagnostics if playback still fails. For best performance, use a stable Wi-Fi network or 5G connection and avoid public hotspots. Finally, consider the VPN provider's smart DNS option when available for faster, region unblocking results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.